Hi everybody, I'm Dan with Dan's Reviews at shopstash.com. For those of you who do not know me, my handle or nickname goes by Sir Anemone1. Shopstash is #1 marketing guy. Today I'm very excited to introduce you to Giant Ebook Kit, where they show you how you can create, sell and profit from PLR. And as many of you may know by now, PLR has been featured a lot online lately. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which effectively means that the advantage to you is that you can do whatever you want with PLR once you've got it. You can edit, sell it, and even use them just as they are. So you're in full control. The problem with content creation is the time and the effort, not to mention the cost it takes to put it all together. By the end of this video, you should have a comprehensible understanding of what the Giant Ebook Kit is all about. In a nutshell, this PLR deal is going to show you how to build and grow an online marketing business using your computer or laptop. If you're interested in getting an easy and fast content creation solution, stay tuned because I'm going to go in and give you a detailed review. And you can do this one thing for me. I promise it'll be worth your while to check it out. My absolutely insane, like a few nuts short of a Christmas cake, cool bonuses. All you have to do is click or press on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. When you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this page right here, which is my bonus page for Giant Ebook Kit. Here I'm showing you what my bonus page for Giant Ebook Kit looks like. Let me just scroll down here to where my bonuses are, which have a combined value of $709, so that I can show them to you. Let me find it. Here we are. I'll give you all of the following bonuses, which are, by the way, relevant to your purchase of this bundle kit, so that when you purchase Giant Ebook Kit via my link, which is below this video inside the description, you're going to get my added bonus #1, which is 0 to profit with printables. This is a case study on how to make money with free downloadable images. You're going to get bonus #2, which is 10K commissions. The secret to $10,000 per month in your spare time. You're going to get bonus #3, which is effective content marketing. Learn the same techniques the pros use excuse me, to make more money easier. Got a frog in my throat. You're also going to get bonus #4, which is 5K publishing paydays. Make 5K per month within 27 days. Yeah, 27 days. You're also going to get bonus #5, which is crazy traffic explosion. How to get free traffic to your offers or to your website. Bonus 6 is your 5-figure freedom, which is a step-by-step method for building a 5-figure monthly income in less than an hour per day. And just because I'm in such a generous mood, I will give you List Smasher, which on its own is worth $197, which will give you list building solutions for free. but this is only going to be available for the first 12 hours. You get instant access to all of these bonuses by clicking on the blue button under the Purchase Access button. I'll show you that a bit later. So there's no need for waiting to get an email or anything. Let me just scroll down here. This is where you access your purchase and access your affiliate bonus. This is where you get your bonuses from me immediately. There's no waiting. So that's me, and that's my bonus page. Now this is what the sales page looks like for Giant Ebook Kit. Says here, giant collection of ebooks that you can turn into your own products and sell for huge profits or give away as bonuses and explode your affiliate commissions. There's a little video. I'll give you a preview of that later on. So stay tuned. This is your chance to buy a make money online product with tangible value. You get 3,000 assets that you own and can sell as many times as you want for as much as you want. Pretty cool. Are you ready to explode your affiliate commissions overnight? Choose your niche, choose your bonus, bank your affiliate commissions. Here are some of Trevor Carr's earnings that he's showing here. Pretty good earnings. Here are the books. Some of the books, they are ebooks, by the way. Giant Ebook Kit is launching at such a low price with so many books. It actually means you're paying less than half a cent each. You can see the enormous potential you have at your fingertips here. Never before has an offer of this magnitude and with this amount of earning potential been made available in our industry. So you're right at the forefront of a massive money-making opportunity. And with so many niches covered, including health and wellness, MMO stands for make money online, and dating, even dating, you'll be ahead of the game from the start and can take full advantage to cash in big time. If you don't fancy tweaking and pimping, you can just use them as they are, but that is not recommended. It requires some effort on your part just to tweak them and make them your own. Take a look at these examples above. As you can see, we have some really high quality products for you here. Great to use as lead magnets to build your list. Perfect as bonuses to dramatically increase your conversions and your profits. And let's be honest, at less than half a cent each, you're going to find it hard not to make a serious amount of moolah from these. Secure your copy of this incredible package before the price goes up, which is inevitable. This is how Trevor started off with a $5 PLR, and now he's in the millions. Okay, so if you're totally disillusioned and felt you've tried literally everything, the Giant Ebook Kit could just be the break you need. Here's some more books. And of course, there are going to be some upsells to this product, or what we call OTOs, meaning that they're one-time offers. This is because these offers are available only during a launch at this low one-time price. which means, of course, that they will be becoming more expensive, or that they may be reverting back to being a monthly subscription. And in case you were wondering, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. There's training as well and there's also 24-hour support included. Now I'm going to send you over to the video where you can learn more about Giant Ebook Kit. Here's a video where the vendor Trevor will tell you in his own words about the Giant Ebook Kit.
Hey, my name is Trevor Carr, and thanks so much for checking out the Giant Ebook Kit. Now, just a short time ago, in 2017, I made a massive leap of faith and I went full-time into internet marketing. Since that day, I've done over $1 million in sales, and recently I did $12,000 in commissions, affiliate commissions and prizes in just 1 week. And obviously, I'm blessed to experience that kind of a lifestyle. But the interesting thing is that all of this came from just one piece of PLR. I actually bought a piece of PLR for $5, and that became my first product launch. I pimped it, turned it into something that was much better than it originally was, and I did over $8,000 in that first launch. After that, shortly after that, I then went on to launch another product that taught how I did that with that piece of PLR. And that launch did $35,000 plus. And the rest, as I say, is history. Now, the incredible thing is that all of this came from that one piece of PLR that cost $5. And what do I have for you here? In the Giant Ebook Kit, I've got 3,000 ebooks for you for one low price. That is absolutely ridiculous. So all you need to do is press the buy button, and you'll have 3,000 PLR ebooks that you can rename. You can put your name on them. You can rewrite them if you want. You can use them as creative templates. You can pimp them. You can create products from them. But also, what's really, really exciting is you've got 3,000 ebooks there in various different niches that you can use as bonuses. Now, we're covering health, wellness, dating, the usual top money-making niches in this incredible pack. And you can go ahead and use those as bonuses to accelerate your commissions in any of those niches, or you can turn them into your own products and you become a product creator literally with a click of a button and start selling your own products and entering into that market as well. So this is incredible value. There's not much to tell you other than the fact that you get 3,000 of these for this one-time, one low price. So if you fancy following in my footsteps and using PLR to kickstart your business, then why don't you go ahead, click on the buy button below right now, and we'll see you on the other side. All the best.
Trevor tells you about it being a no-brainer to get the Giant Ebook Kit, and I'm here to also inform you about all of my bonuses, which you've seen the combined value of being, I think it was $709 combined, which makes it a no-brainer to pick them up with my link, which is in the description below this video. My bonuses are easy to access immediately in Warrior Plus, as I've said. There's a blue button under the green access my purchase button, which says access affiliate bonus. And remember, private label rights is something that other people have created, and they are allowing you to sell or give away as you like, so that you can avoid the headache of having to make your content from scratch. Well, that's let me wrap up. That's my unadulterated review about the Giant Ebook Kit. Don't forget to check out my bonuses again. These bonuses are for me. They are completely free of charge. And what you will be getting for purchasing my Giant with my link, which is in the description below. If you like my video review, Please consider hitting the like icon and also subscribe and ring the bell so that I can show you more great new product reviews. Thank you for watching my giant ebook kit review, and I'll see you in the next one. And take care. Hold on. Just a postscript here. Let me play out with a video that will give you an idea about some of the books that you're going to be getting for buying the giant ebook kit with my link.
Hey guys, it's your friend Juan here, and in this video I'm gonna show you some uh, samples of ebooks that you are getting with the giant ebook kit. Okay, so I just wanted to record this video to show you the quality of each ebook you are getting and show you samples of what you can expect inside of giant ebook kit. Okay, so I just grabbed some ebooks that I have on the package. So those ebooks that I'm gonna show you here, it's all available inside the giant ebook kit. Okay, and I'm gonna just show you the samples of each ebook so you can see the quality of each ebook and what you can expect when you purchase giant ebook kit, which comes with 3,000 ebooks that you can edit and sell online, right, with private label rights and all that stuff. So here's one of the books that I have inside of the kit. So you can see 20 tips to make money online, and it's very high quality. You can see that cover image here for the ebook. Then you have the table of contents, and as you can see, the ebook is very long. Okay, so it's a very high quality ebook, all done for you, writing for you. Okay, so this is just one ebook that you get inside of giant ebook kit. Then you have tons and tons of others. It's 3,000 ebooks, but this is just a sample of one of the ebooks that you have inside. So another one here, as you can see, it have a cover picture and all the content here. It's all well writing and all high quality. So that's what you can expect inside of the giant ebook kit. Okay. Like next one, drive traffic with the hashtag, same thing, high quality ebook with image, text, and all that stuff. So as you can see here, it's all in great quality. Super affiliate shortcuts, SEO strategies, all of the ebooks are very high quality, and that's what you can expect from giant ebook kit. Okay, so I just wanted to record this video just to show you some samples so you can know what you are getting inside of giant ebook kit when you invest on it. So thanks so much for watching, and I see you later. Bye bye.